Integrated Global Services is expanding its surface protection portfolio with Weld overlay solutions and the opening of a new operational hub in Radom, Poland. The facility supports welding procedure development, project qualifications, and specialized mock-ups, serving customers across Europe and other global regions. This expansion broadens our global operational capabilities and complements our existing HVTS technology, offering a range of solutions to address corrosion and erosion in demanding industrial environments. When used together, Weld overlay and high-velocity thermal spray provide a complementary solution that restores degraded surfaces and protects against future damage. Extending equipment life, supporting safer operations, that's asset vitality.